between my knees. Because they're like...
Yeah, because when your knees are pressed together, like...
Wait, can we like undo some of the tape around my legs?
No.
Not really.
Please.
We have to...
Cause what's your...
Chex Mix.
What's
happening here?
Just turn around.
Yanni Chiguez and Mike Necessity are just like, oh, there's no show, this is retarded. I hope they get like stuck in their heads.
Hype performing, night to morning. It's no time, but it's nice to warn them. Post-mortem, we don't mourn them. We go forth, but no, we don't force it. New leak from the author's faucet. And all last week, the response is awesome. Goes off when a pro goes on. It has been that way since back before college. Just Geo, no longer logic. Still marching, still evolving. Still revolving around, don't stop till we sorry. Whatever you call it, locked in stock like a Filipino watching. Boxing, every so often, peace to the fallen. Here's to the hope that the beats that I'm rocking is reaching your coffin. Yeah, that's my daily routine. Glide through the motions, riding, coasting. Then I burn one slow, feedback, need that, let it all go. Sunsets in the south end, right next to the mountains.